This is the Kalondo Plain of Mufumbwe district, famous for the production of vegetables that are supplied to the entire northwestern province. Today, climate change has dawned in Mufumbwe, and the plain where vegetables are grown is now dry for the first time in the history of the country. More than 40 hectares of vegetables have now gone to waste after all possible efforts to chase for water proved futile. Even grass in this plain, which is expected to resist from drying up, has now succumbed. Young farmers here have tried to save a few crops using traditional methods of watering using buckets, but even that is not easy to sustain after the water table went down further. This has now caused a serious shortage of vegetables in Mufumbwe, as people have resolved to eating the same dried crops, while more than 30 youths that were employed on these gardens have lost their jobs.
Vyavura vyaonaika na mamboa challenge yonko mwa muna ya mema tufuao, but kijikyaru sana msatana kwamba vyonka bishubi na kumeka nikabibye people are getting na mambo kwa kutana bishuo kafuako atuwewe tukoonsha kupana bishuo the northwestern province.
The Young Emerging Farmers Initiative, YEFI, have visited the farms to find means of helping the evergreen Kalondo farms to rise again.
It calls for change in strategy. Emerging too much available now. I think mamboa climate change. So there's a realization in climate change is very real. So it calls for concerted effort. But we preserve our environment so that MEMA should be available, because without water you can't do agriculture. The problem with agriculture is that it brings out other problems. So already if tuamo namba vishubi vya shupa, it means that even nutritional levels in Mufumbwe and the larger part of northwestern will have a problem.
Indeed, this negative development in Mufumbwe is a wake-up call to many farmers to start migrating from ordinary ways of doing agriculture to modern methods of storing water and using equipment to water their plants. It's an urgent call to various stakeholders and organizations to help the young farmers in Mufumbwe, who are a living example of self-employment and wealth creation. Justine Kawisha, ZNBC News, Mufumbwe.